you struggle with high notes? Do they feel weak, tight, or just out of reach? Today we are diving into a complete vocal warm-up focused on helping you singing high notes with freedom and control. Hello singers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie-Laurence, a singing teacher and vocal coach. Are you ready? Let's reach those high notes. Before we begin, let's take 4 deep breaths together to relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Once more. Breathe in. Breathe out. First exercise, we are going to do lip rolls on a 5-note scale. The purpose of this exercise is to loosen up the vocal folds and helps with flexibility. Great. You can place your fingers like this if it's too difficult. Breathe in. Same volume. Gentle, gentle. Light, easy. Okay, last one. We can do one more, just for fun. Inhale. Keep it light. Great, okay. Nice work. Now let's work on vocal placement for high notes. We are going to use NG sound, like the word sing or song. This helps train your body to place your voice forward, okay, and not in the chest. We need to slide gently, slowly, and feel the vibration like ooh. Don't push. Let it slide. Great. Relax your jaw. Don't force it. Let it slide. Relax your jaw. Feel the buzz. Not here. Here. Inhale. Woo! Wow. If it gets difficult in this zone, it's okay. No worries. Just stop where you feel comfortable today. Next up, the same exercise, but we are going to open on an ah. Don't push. Oh. Yes. Sing ooh like you. Keep your lips rounded like this. Ooh, ooh. Let your voice feel like it's melting down the scale with no tension. Nice. Keep it light. We are singing in head voice. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Lips. Inhale. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Nay, nay, nay vocal exercise to build mixed voice and prevent throat tension while singing high notes. Are you ready? Let's do it. Nay, 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 nay. Don't do nay, 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 nay. No, 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 no. Inhale. Nay, 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 nay. Nay. Yes. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Keep your face relaxed. Okay, don't do nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay. Keep going. You're doing great. Nay. Woo! This is not easy, but you can do it. Okay, whoo! Here, of course, it should sound nasal, witchy, na na na, but not forced. This is no, no. Don't yell like this. Nay, 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 nay. This is no, no, no. Try to sing nay, nay softer with less pressure. Nay, 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 nay. And don't do nay, nay, nay. I want it so bad. Nay. If nay, 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 it's too hard for you because it's high. You can change for nya, nya, okay? Like nya, 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 nya. Okay, let's go. Nay, 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 nay. Less volume is better. Inhale. Okay, one more. One more. Just to try. Open your mouth. Great. Remember, the nay, nay, nay exercise is meant to wake up your voice. If it feels blocked, just take a break, reset your body, reset your voice with some or hmm. Take a deep breath in and sigh gently on ha. It should feel like a relaxed ha. Now let's sing who. 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 Let's do a lip trills. We slide up and down. Now let's hum a little bit. you want more vocal warm-ups and vocal tips, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until then, see you next time.